Let's talk about electrician pay in Papua New Guinea. On average, electrician in Papua New Guinea earns around $2,600 a year. That is the average annual gross salary, but after tax, you take home $2,100, which brings home roughly $175 every month. While that electrician salary in Papua New Guinea is national, you'll see electrician wages go up if you work in Port Moresby, where after-tax pay reaches $2,500. Even though pay outside that city drops, living costs are lower there, so your real income stays similar. On top of that, your electrician income starts below the average when you start out, but experience brings higher pay until it plateaus. Having a university degree helps you move past that level into higher-paying roles like supervisor or project manager. Finally, small local firms pay less than large national companies, whereas international employers offer the highest average electrician pay overall. If you want to know how much does an electrician make in Papua New Guinea, this shows how experience and location change the numbers.